Number 1. The 1940 Ford Coupe, priced at $55,500. This classic 1940 Ford convertible is more than just an old car. It's a true piece of family history. Restored by the owner's father back in 1990s, this car has been carefully kept in the family ever since, maintained with pride and attention to detail. The car is located in Mesquite, Texas, just about 20 minutes outside of downtown Dallas, making it easily accessible for collectors in the area. Finished in a stunning teal blue paint with chrome trim, this Ford really stands out. It's not just a garage queen either. This car has won first place at multiple car shows and has been driven across several states, including Colorado, New Mexico, Nebraska, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Missouri. It even completed laps at the Texas Motor Speedway, adding a unique and exciting chapter to its story. Under the hood, it runs a tune-port fuel-injected engine paired with an automatic transmission and power steering, making it smooth, comfortable, and surprisingly easy to drive for a classic car. Inside, the interior has been upgraded with modern touches for comfort, while still preserving the timeless classic look. Recently, the car received a full fuel system service, along with a new battery and new spark plugs. The mufflers were replaced a few years ago, giving it that perfect classic rumble. Not too loud, but just right. The owners don't drive it much anymore, so it's time for this beautiful classic to find a new home. If you're looking for a vintage car that looks incredible, drives well, and comes with real history, this 1940 Ford Coupe is absolutely worth checking out. Number 2. The 1931 Model A Coupe, priced at $26,000. This is a traditional 1931 model of hot rod that perfectly captures the raw, authentic spirit of early American hot rodding. Built around a steel Henry body, this car proudly wears its natural rubbed patina, giving it a genuine vintage look that simply can't be replicated. Even better, it's a California black plate car, adding historical value and originality to an already special build. Up front, the suspension features a 4-inch drop magnum front axle, paired with a Pete and Jake tube shock kit and a steering stabilizer, delivering a smoother and more controlled driving experience. A reverse eye spring helps lower the stance while maintaining ride quality, and stopping power comes from reliable 1944 hydraulic brakes, AT the front. A steel 32 grille gives the car a classic hot rod face. Power comes from a rebuilt 4-cylinder engine and transmission, upgraded with a V8 clutch and a lightened flywheel for improved performance and responsiveness. Ignition duties are handled by an electronic Bubba's distributor, ensuring dependable starts and smooth running. In the rear, the car rides on a Model T rear spring, combined with a Millworks reverse eye main leaf and tube shocks, providing solid handling and comfort. Bowling Brothers rear hubs and a Panhard bar from Bert's model complete the suspension setup, keeping everything planted and stable on the road. Inside, the interior is very nicely finished, offering comfort while staying true to the traditional hot rod style. This beautiful 1931 Model A Coupe is located in Guadalupe County, Texas, USA, and represents a well-balanced blend of originality, craftsmanship, and drivability. If you're looking for a true traditional hot rod with real character and history, this Model A is definitely one to consider. Number 3. The 1932 Ford 4-door sedan, priced at $42,500. This 1932 Ford sedan is a very solid and well-built classic that blends vintage style with modern drivability. Showing just 33,333 miles, this car stands out thanks to its high-quality aftermarket chassis, believed to be from the Roadster shop, a name well known for premium performance frames. Under the hood, it's powered by a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering strong, reliable performance that makes this classic easy and enjoyable to drive. Power is sent to a 9-inch rear end, providing durability and confidence on the road. Comfort and drivability were clearly a priority in this build. The car is equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, disc brakes, and power steering, making it feel much more modern than you'd expect from a 1932 vehicle. Whether cruising around town or heading to a car show, this Ford drives exactly as it should. Inside, the sedan features a beautiful distressed leather interior, giving it a classy vintage feel while still being comfortable and inviting. On the outside, the car really shines thanks to a fresh, high-quality paint job by the legendary Ricky Neal, famously known as the Possum Killer. The finish gives this Ford serious presence and plenty of eyeball appeal wherever it goes. This car isn't just built to look good, it's built to be driven, enjoyed, and admired. It's currently located in China Spring, Texas, and the seller may consider a partial trade, depending on the right vehicle. If you're looking for a classic Ford that combines timeless 1930s design with modern performance, comfort, and craftsmanship, this 1932 Ford four-door sedan is definitely worth checking out. Number 4. The 1931 Ford Roadster Hot Rod, priced at $28,500. This 1931 Ford Roadster is a classic hot rod that truly speaks for itself. Built with a no-nonsense approach, this car offers timeless roadster style combined with hot rod attitude. The seller describes it best as too much to list, and that alone tells you this build is packed with details and upgrades that would take time to fully appreciate. With its open-top roadster design, this Ford delivers the raw, authentic hot rod experience. It's the kind of car that turns heads instantly, whether it's parked at a show, cruising through town, or rolling into a weekend meet. The proportions, stance, and overall presence capture the true spirit of early American hot rodding. One of the biggest advantages of this Roadster is that it comes with a clear title, making ownership simple and straightforward. That's an important detail for buyers looking for a classic they can register, insure, and enjoy without complications. The car is located in Buda, Texas, conveniently situated about 3 miles west of Cabela's, making it easy to find for serious buyers who want to see in person. This is a great opportunity to inspect the car up close, hear it run, and get a real feel for the build. If you're searching for a traditional Ford Roadster hot rod with strong character, solid documentation, and classic curb appeal, this 1931 Ford Roadster deserves your attention. Cars like this don't come around often at this price point. For more information or to arrange a viewing, you can call or text the seller directly. Serious inquiries are encouraged. Number 5. The 1923 T-Bucket, priced at $20,500 or best offer. This 1923 T-Bucket is a classic hot rod that delivers pure, old-school American roadster style. Simple, lightweight, and full of attitude. This car is built for enthusiasts who appreciate raw design and straightforward performance. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 cubic inch engine, paired with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive and enjoyable whether you're cruising around town or pulling into a local car meet. The setup offers dependable power and a smooth driving experience, ideal for both seasoned hot rod owners and newcomers to the classic car world. The overall condition of this T-Bucket is described as very good, meaning it's been well cared for and maintained. This is not a project car that needs heavy work. It's a vehicle you can own, enjoy, and show with confidence. Its classic proportions, open cockpit design, and aggressive stance give it unmistakable hot rod presence wherever it goes. This car is being offered at $20,500 OBO, giving serious buyers some room to negotiate. However, it's important to note that the seller is clear on the terms. No trades, no joy rides, and serious inquiries only. This is a straightforward sale intended for buyers who are genuinely ready to purchase. The vehicle is located in Muskogee County, making it accessible for buyers in the surrounding area who want to inspect it in person. If you've been looking for a clean, classic T-Bucket hot rod with a proven drivetrain and strong visual appeal, this one checks all the right boxes. Opportunities like this don't come around often at this price point. If you're serious about owning a traditional hot rod with timeless style and reliable performance, this 1923 T-Bucket is definitely worth your attention. Number 6. The 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe, priced at $22,500. This 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a serious hot rod project with massive potential. Featuring a 5-inch chop top, this car already has the aggressive stance and classic 32 Ford profile that enthusiasts are always searching for. Under the hood sits a freshly built 351 Windsor V8, equipped with aluminum heads and a Howard camshaft with .501 lift and 281/289 duration. The engine was professionally built by Wayne Calvert Engines in Denton, Texas, a well-known name in performance engine building. This setup promises strong horsepower, solid reliability, and excellent hot rod performance once completed. Power is sent through a fresh Phoenix C5 automatic transmission, paired with a Ford 9-inch rear differential featuring a 3.50 gear ratio, making it a great balance between street drivability and performance cruising. It's important to note that this vehicle is an unfinished project, which gives the next owner the freedom to finish it their way. The sale includes a large supply of additional parts, saving time and money on completion. Even more impressive, there are over $50,000 in receipts documenting the work already invested into this build. The car is being sold with a bill of sale, along with a copy of a previous Texas title. The vehicle is located in Henderson and Kaufman counties, Texas, United States. And if you're looking for a real 1932 Ford 3-window coupe project with a chopped top, high-quality drivetrain, and serious money already invested, this is a rare opportunity. Finish it to your taste and end up with a truly special hot rod that stands out from the crowd.
Number 7. 1940 Packard Super 8180. Offered at $35,000, this 1940 Packard Super 8180 sedan represents classic pre-war American luxury at its finest. The odometer shows 61,370 miles, and the car is powered by Packard's legendary 356 cubic inch straight-eight engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission for a smooth and refined driving experience. This Packard is equipped with several highly desirable period features, including dual side-mounted spare tires, elegant suicide doors, and a rear luggage rack, all of which enhance its stately appearance and touring capability. Known for exceptional ride quality and craftsmanship, the Super 8180 was one of Packard's flagship models, offering comfort and prestige well beyond its era. Described as a very clean car, this example presents well both mechanically and cosmetically, making it suitable for regular enjoyment, touring events, or display at classic car shows. The seller has reduced the price for a quick sale, and the price is firm at $35,000. The vehicle is located in Fort Smith, Arkansas, United States. For collectors seeking an elegant and historically significant luxury sedan with timeless design and proven Packard engineering, this 1940 Packard Super 8180 is an excellent opportunity. Number 8. 1930 Ford Classic Replica, built in 1970. Offered at $12,000 OBO, this 1930 Ford Classic Replica, built in 1970, delivers vintage hot rod styling with proven American V8 power. Under the hood is a small block Chevrolet engine, paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. Known for its simplicity and durability, built as a replica, this vehicle captures the look and feel of a 1930s Ford while benefiting from later construction and components, making it easier to maintain and enjoy. The drivetrain setup provides smooth, straightforward performance, well suited for cruising and casual driving. The seller is open to a possible trade for a 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird, offering flexibility for interested buyers. The vehicle is located in Pittsburgh County, Oklahoma, United States. This classic replica represents an accessible entry into the hot rod and replica car world, combining nostalgic design with reliable Chevrolet power at a reasonable price point. Number 9. The 1934 Ford 4-door sedan, priced at $50,000. This classic 1930s 4-door sedan has undergone extensive modifications to perfectly blend vintage style with modern performance and comfort. One of the most striking changes is the chopped top, which lowers the roofline to give the car a more aggressive and sleek look while still maintaining its classic character. Under the hood, it's powered by a 347 Ford crate motor known for strong performance and reliability. This engine is paired with an AOD automatic transmission, providing smooth gear shifts and enhanced driving comfort, a definite upgrade from the typical manual transmissions found in classic cars. The car rides on Foose rims, a well-known custom wheel brand popular in the automotive and racing world, adding both aesthetic appeal and improved handling. The entire body is made of steel, offering better durability and strength. A unique standout feature is the glass rear fenders, giving the back end an exclusive and distinctive look rarely seen on classic cars. Inside, the cabin is equipped with decoder digital gauges, providing accurate readings for speed, RPM, fuel, and other vital functions. Comfort features include air conditioning and power windows, making long drives more enjoyable. The suspension system has been completely upgraded, resulting in better stability and a smoother ride. This 1934 4-door sedan is a perfect example of how a classic car can remain stylish and functional in today's world. Number 10. the 1948 Chevy Stylemaster, priced at $45,000. This vehicle represents a complete and meticulous restoration, with over $70,000 invested to refurbish every part of the car, from the interior and body to the undercarriage. Under the hood sits a brand new blueprinted 350 engine with only 5,400 miles, paired with headers to boost performance. A new 700 automatic transmission provides smooth and responsive shifting, making this car both stunning and comfortable to drive. It also features air conditioning for added comfort. The car is equipped with a quality camshaft, enhancing engine power and character. Every detail has been perfected, making it truly one of a kind. This Stylemaster is ideal for collectors or hot rod enthusiasts seeking both visual impact and strong performance. With its full restoration and premium features, this vehicle is more than a car, it's a work of art and a valuable investment. Number 11. The 1934 Ford Coupe 5-window, priced at $115,000. Built on a U7655 chassis, this hot rod dates back to 1954 and underwent a 7-year restoration from 2006 to 2013. The steel body is chopped and channeled, with custom louvered roof and trunk panels. Finished in Naples orange paint, the interior features Spinnebeck leather. Power comes from a supercharged 331 cubic inch Cadillac V8 with a KGER intake and 6 Strandberg carburetors, paired with a Muncie M21 4-speed transmission and a Hallebrand 310 quick-change rear end. Buick Finn drum brakes handle stopping duties. This award-winning build includes historical photos and magazine features, making it a standout collector-grade hot rod. Number 12. The 1937 Ford Coupe, priced at $21,000. This driver-quality classic features original steel doors, hood, grille, and body, with fiberglass fenders. It shows 123,456 miles, with approximately 10,000 miles since its rebuild. Power comes from a 350 Chevrolet engine with camshaft, Edelbrock carburetor, and intake, paired with a TH350 transmission and a 9-inch rear end. A dual Flowmaster exhaust provides classic sound. New white-wall bias-ply tires complete the vintage look. Everything functions as it should, though it does not include a top, side panels, or door glass. Cash sale only, no trades. Number 13. The 1941 Willys Coupe, priced at $69,900. Professionally built with only 974.8 miles since completion, this Willys is powered by a 502 crate motor paired with a turbo 400 transmission. A Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.11 gears delivers strong acceleration. The Outlaw-style custom body and frame provide bold character. Features include fake fuel injection, exhaust cutouts, heat and air conditioning, and massive rear tires for aggressive stance. This Willys has been featured in an official calendar, highlighting its quality and presence. Clean, powerful, and road-ready.